I'm literally 3 minutes away from the cutoff time for making up the room, and I forgot to put my magnet on my door. I wonder if they'll still make up my room. So I was trying to look for Mac camera. It's like this, or like Camera Town. It's like this area that sells lots of cameras in Shinjuku. So I came up, I got lost in Shinjuku station, and I came up to the bus terminal area, and I decided to be smart about it, and just went with my gut feeling, you know. Apparently it didn't work, so I took the totally wrong direction and ended up in God knows where. And then when I decided to use my maps finally, the Camera Town was just right beside the bus terminal. Oh my gosh! Don't be smart like me. So I'm supposed to go straight here and it should be up ahead. Mark camera looks really fancy, so I'm going to Kitamura instead. Use repairing maintenance. New camera. Maybe I should have got that. It's okay. I'm just gonna 3 and see how it goes. If you can't read Japanese, it's actually quite hard to find. It's just 7:30. I got the goods then. That old man knows how to speak English, and it is a big plus for me. Actually, I wanted to buy a Ricoh camera, a Ricoh camera, but that Ricoh camera seems a little how should I say? I wouldn't say malfunctioning, but he had problems opening the film cover. So yeah. So anyway, I got a Canon, which is also good for me. Although the price is kind of double of what I wanted to get. My budget was like only $50, but this camera was 88. What to do? This is where I found Lemon. It's on the 3rd floor. You can see the signs here. There's also signs here, and they have a lot of film available, much more than Kitamura and Shinjuku. Here's the surroundings if you need to know. Just want to put this here and let you know that if you are residing in Singapore, then don't buy the chrome film, which I did, because this girl here did not do her research, and turns out there's only one shop in Singapore that develops chrome film, and it's also more expensive. So if you your life to be easier and your film developing to be more convenient, then don't buy the chrome film, just buy the regular negative film. Banana juice, small. That's it. This small is really small. It's really thick. And I was just about to walk off, and then I remembered that I can't really do that in Japan. Does it mean that I have to stand around here and drink? Tori banana. It's quite nice. Osusume. This is a really quiet place. I hope I'm in the right direction. I am following Google Maps. I am on my way to Shimokitazawa. It's supposed to be a street or an area which has many vintage and second-hand shops. This neighborhood is really quiet. I guess this is what a regular Japanese neighborhood feels like. I am lost again. Actually, you know what? I think I am in the right place. I'm just too late. Because if I take a closer look at the things around here, there are some vintagey looking shops like records and leather making and small little coffee shops. So maybe I just came too late. But this area looks... What's this? Kita... I can't see. Kitazawa Azumadori. Oh my god, there's a street! Okay, let's go there. Can you see? Here. I'm so dumb. It's right here. It's just opposite. Okay. Let's go. Dickies. Oh, ちょっと待ってください。She has like a fan club here, man. Look at this guy. Get a shot. This is the Shinjuku that I remember. But can't seem to find an exit to come up from this way. Sorry for the shaky camera work.